Hello guys, good morning. So most of the people who look into the movies, what is happening is that they see the movie, there is a romantic movie which is happening, which is coming in the TV, or they go to a movie theater and they watch the romantic movie. And it is like nicely decorated, when you go to a movie theater, what is happening? It is nicely decorated. A woman is wearing beautiful jewelry. There is a light colored dress with a girl is wearing, and at the same time, a boy is like, is very fair, and there is a nice beautiful background like this. And most of the times when the boy meets a girl and a girl meets a boy, what is happening is that suddenly there are flowers which are falling, and a beautiful sunlight is being shown, and it is completely dramatized. So when people look into such kind of scenes, what is happening is that they think that love will happen in such conditions. But you should think, if you are really a sensible guy, what will happen is that that there is something which is being dramatized, okay, and this cannot be love. So something which is dramatized on a screen cannot be love, because there is only a infusion of false emotions by poets and writers and cinematographers and the actors. So what they do is that they infuse the love which is really not there, and you think that their song which they sings and the emotions which they express and the language with which they use is actually love. See, love is completely different from what is being projected in the movies. Love is an ultimate feeling when non-love is gone. So what is this non-love all about? Non-love is like removal of jealousiness, hatred, removal of ego, and removal of all the negativities from your side. When all the negativities from your side has been removed, okay, then what will be remaining is love, and that will happen as an evolution. Okay, it is not that you sit here and you propose a girl. It is no exchange of words. It is only something, what is happening is that an exchange of highly subtle deep emotion. When there is an exchange of highly subtle deep emotion, you see that a love is happening. There are subtle flow of energy which is happening. This subtle flow of lovable energy which is happening will be expressed when your Anahata chakra is activated. So now there is an intrinsic change which is happening in you. There is a glow which happens in you when you are in love. It is not that something can be projected. It is like you look at watch movies only for one purpose, that is entertainment. Apart from entertainment subject, don't go for a movie, otherwise you will be disturbed. If entertainment factor is the only factor which should be there to go for a movie, but don't take a emotion like love which is falsely projected there in a movie. Okay, so this false projected emotions you actually think to be love, and think that love should be like this, when you can put hands on your lover and can go and you can go into places like this, and you can talk some beautiful words, and there is an exchange of love. No, you can be far off also, and there can be an exchange of love. You can be talking on a phone also, there can be exchange of love, and you will get a complete feeling of lightness when you fall in love. So there are things, it happens at a different levels for a different people. A common a feeling which is inexpressible, and that is actually love, but not which is projected in these movies. So remove what is non-love, okay, then you see there is an evolution, there is an emergence of something new. That feeling when you get, you can just give a comment that you felt in a real kind of divine love. Then I'll talk about this, and we will understand it in a better sense. So catch up guys, this is Umakant, your life coach and spiritual mentor, talking about love, and just connecting with this nice beautiful atmosphere which is there. Wow, that's amazing.